Hello everyone, I am back with another video. Today I am playing with Fenty. I want to try a couple things I have from Fenty, and I tried this palette before, but I wanted to play with it again. I want to play a second time with it. So this is what we are doing today. Kudos to the people who do nails, I am telling you. I sat down Monday morning, did some nails. Oh, wrong one. I did nails. I don't know if you can see, I get nails. Loved it. I took time and I did that stuff. By Tuesday morning, I am like ready to peel them off. By Tuesday afternoon, they're all gone. Except my thumb, this one right here. I love them, they are pretty, but I cannot do anything. Not even wring or squeeze the paper towel so I can clean the counters. I was like, first I couldn't put my necklace on, because when I tried to open it, this nail was bending, so I didn't put my necklace on. I was like, oh, I mean, I've had nails before, and I worked around it, but now I'm like, I don't want to work around nails anymore. So kudos to the people who do a fantastic job with their nails, because it does look pretty. It is beautiful, I like it, but I just cannot manage it. So I decide I will just paint them. So I painted them. Tell me if that happens to you, because I need to know. Am I the only one who loves pretty nails but can't manage it? It doesn't. It's like I need to take them off because I can't do what I need to do with them, with my hands. I mean, I gotta do stuff. And these nails are just in my way. It's like, no way. I had to turn my hand and my finger all kind of way to do stuff. I was like, I don't think I want to do that. I don't want to do that. It's not something I want to do. So tell me in the comments if that happens to you. Do you create a whole new way to do things with your hands because your nails are pretty and cute? And I mean, I like it. It's nice. Yep. So today we're playing with Fenty. Just use this color right here. I'm just blending it and fixing it. Another thing, last night, but it's not only last night, but I noticed that last night. I finished doing what I'm doing. I am in my bed, well relaxed. Laying down, just there meditating. I'm going into this shimmer right here. And I am so comfy, just laying down there relaxing before I fall asleep. Lights off, phone. I always put my phone away from my bed, so I don't want to be disturbed with it. So I just put it away. And I mean, I get so comfortable. The minute I start drifting into sleep, it's like knock knock. You know what? Gotta go to the bathroom. Gotta go pee. All the time I was sitting there relaxing, laying down, relaxing, nothing. The minute I decide I want to go sleep now, sleep is knocking on my door, my eyelids are drifting. My head going like this on the pillow. It's like, gotta go pee. And I'm trying to take it off my mind. Trust me. I am like, I am not going to pee. I will wait until morning. I will wait. Because I have a bad habit. I do that, you know. I am truly not liking this palette. If you're someone who don't like a loud and bright shimmer or a loud and bright matte, this is perfect for you. This would be a perfect little palette for you, this Fenty palette. But for me, who likes a little bit more, it's not doing it for me. It definitely is not doing it for me. So I'm just blending this together. I'm using the same brush that I used to put the matte down. Okay, now I'm going to take the black and I'm gonna try figure out how to fix this little thing here. Because I am truly not, it's not doing, this palette is not doing it for me at all. But back to that, does that happen to you and what do you do? I mean, I try to go to sleep. Sleep wouldn't come because I gotta go pee. It's on my mind. It's on my mind. It's going nowhere. And I'm just laying down there. Now my mind is more focused. I don't know. Fenty, if you're listening, let's do a palette together. Let's work on a palette together. Let's collab on a palette. Because I know you can do better. You did it with powder foundation. You did it with lipstick, blushes. I know you can find a way to do this palette. You can do a palette. But this one right here ain't for me. Yeah, I don't see myself reaching for that one at all. Nah. Not even because it's dull, it's just, it's missing something. It's missing something. I don't know what. It's missing something. It's missing something. I'm trying to use as much Fenty as I can. I have the 420 Pro Filter Pressed Powder Foundation by Fenty. And I love it. I love it. This is it right here. Yeah, so the P section, the P stuff. I mean, do you wake up to go pee or do you try and fall asleep without going to the bathroom? What do you do? Because I laid on there, I maybe waste half an hour trying to figure out if I should go pee or should not pee. What do you do? I'm using this highlighter from Fenty. I try to use all the Fenties that I have today. And this is what it looks like. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. It's bronzy and pretty and sparkly. So I'm gonna put it right here. Ready for the lips. By Wet n Wild. Today's encouraging word is coming from the section that says, make the most of your mistakes. Some of the best lessons we ever learn, we learn from our mistakes and failures. The error of the past is the success and wisdom of the future. Tyrone Edwards. I use the Fenty 6 Smoky 6 palette. I use the top 3 colors. And this is the eye look that I came up with today. I like it, but the palette is still me. I'm not liking it. So that's the last look from this palette. Always remember, self is first, love self plenty, take care of self, go out and live a fabulous life because life is short. I will see you in the next video. And for me, I did wake up to go pee because I could not sleep. Bye.